Bro, dito tayo ng drinks?
Sige, tara.
Alang guys, isang fresh juice naman.
Sa akin, soft drinks magkano?
13 pesos na yung soft drinks.
Hala, ang mahal naman.
O nga ano, di ba dati 10 pesos lang yan? Ba't siya nagmahal?
Nagbago na kasi presyo niyan.
Yes, that is because the excise tax rates have increased for most drinks with caloric or non-caloric sweeteners. If before, a 250 milliliter bottle of soft drink costs 10 pesos, now it's 13 pesos. Under the train, for every liter of beverage containing high fructose corn syrup, an increase of 12 pesos in excise tax is imposed.
Kaya pala, the price of fresh juice did increase.
Yes, because 100% natural fruit and vegetable juices are exempt from excise tax.
Buti na lang, boba income tax rates natin. Pwede ba mag-soft drinks?
Yes.
Yeah. To know why my income tax as an office assistant was lowered, watch our Season 1, Episode 2 of this vlog.
So if you want to know more about the train, like this video, give a comment below and subscribe to your YouTube channel. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So get on the train with KPMG.